introduce our company. Venture F is an impact company in transport, portal, and warehouse industry. So it dedicated to delivery service. It has established delivery with free installation. This regulation saves a lot of money and make it convenient for many people. We focus on office worker or any adult that require of this service. The market in the industry is intensely competitive due to the rapid development of e-business. But the difference is that we have free installation of this appliance, and other express company cannot guarantee when they are serviced. In this report, we will introduce the business circle operating process and the supporting softwares that we use to manage the work.
Hello everyone, my name is Yu Haowei. The revenue cycle in our company consists of 4 parts, which are process, sales order, pick, pack, ship product, bill the customer, receive and record payment. There are some details in revenue cycle. The first step is to check inventory levels and customer credit limited in process sales order, and then pick goods, prepare for shipping, deliver the good until we receive payment and record payment. On the other hand, I will describe the risk and the controls. For example, the customer won't pay for goods. We will use pre-billing system to control it, and then the safety of cash or check payment by cashier. We will use direct electronic payment and limit access to cash and check by using logbooks. In addition, the technologies we used are enterprise resources planning, electronic data interchange, and barcode.
The expenditure cycle in our company consists of 4 parts, which are determine demand for goods, order goods, receive goods, and pay for goods that determine the purchase process and the payment of products in our company. When we determine the demand for goods, firstly, we will collect the requisition from our website, and after verification the customer's information and check the inventory level, we will create a purchase requisition. Secondly, we will choose the supplier based on the customer intention and in our supply chain management systems list. It is a kind of preventive control to avoid the risk about purchasing from the unqualified supplier. And after, we will use the data in the requisition form and supplier detail to create a purchase order. Thirdly, we will use the radio frequency identification to accept the delivery and record the goods are received. It is a kind of detective control to avoid the risk about receiving unordered good and the error in counting stock handling. Finally, we will approve and make the payment by ERP system and use PayPal as the payment method. ERP system is a kind of preventive control to avoid the risk about the unmatched invoice. PayPal is a kind of preventive control as well, as it prevents the hacker and virus attack during the paying process.
Hello everyone, my name is Michael, and I'm going to talk about the HRM and the payroll cycles process. And this is the diagram of it. So there's 4 phases of it. The first one will be recruitment, where you're going to use the selection by choosing the most suitable applicants from the internet platform and meet the criteria of the ability to evaluating and the physical condition for installation. And the second one will be payroll, and we're going to use the salary payroll system, which is called Diva, to record and maintain it. And of course, the number of working days by using time cost scanner and swipe cards. And the third one will be the performance review. We're going to review it monthly in a hierarchy system by the upper manager, from A to D grading to address it. And the last one will be the termination. There are 2 types of it. The first one will be resignation and also the redundance. There's a 1-month notification, and they will receive the letter. And after that, they have to recover the company's property, such as ID card and key.
Hello everyone, I'm Tao. Today I will talk about which technological software we choose and why we choose it. So I think the suitable software is critical to the company as it determines the operation efficiency, profitable, and enable the firm to avoid risks. So that is the reason why we choose our database, and under it, we also choose the best suitable method for our company, which is customized pre-writing application. Additionally, there are 3 reasons that's why we choose it. First of all, it's tailor-made, so that means we can choose any functions we like into the software. Secondly, it may reduce the possibility of employees' mistake by more conscious and convenient operating system. Last but not least, it can contribute to form an efficient system because it can be targeted to improve a certain aspect.
Hello everyone, my name is Carmen. This report has introduced revenue cycle, risks and controls, technologies of Furniture F, which based on the successful implementation of enterprise resource planning system, HR and payroll cycle process, and the application used in our business operation model. In this report, after analysis, Oracle database was determined as the running control and support software, and customers' pre-written application was selected from 3 appropriate adopting methods which improved the operational capability and work efficiency of our company.